Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at best Cowrywise framework for achieving financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't about being a billionaire, it's about having options. It's about your money giving you the yes to quit a toxic job, to be able to travel or start a business. Here's the framework to get you there. Freedom equals to your investment income covering your basic living expenses. And here are the 5-layer Cowrywise Freedom Pyramid. Layer 1, which is the base, is about security. A money market fund with 6 months of expenses. This is your I quit fund. Layer 2, the growth engine for your wealth. Use your aggressive or bold portfolio. You can check out our video on that. This is the main machine working for you over 15 plus years. Layer 3, the cash flow layer, freedom fuel. Build a separate balanced fund where you only spend the interest or dividend once it is large enough. This tests your freedom income. 4, we have the lifestyle layer for your dreams. Specific goals for your house, car, education in dedicated funds is what you use this for. This prevents you from dipping into layers 1 to 3. And lastly, layer 5, which is the legacy layer for impact. Once the others are full, then start a goal for giving back or generational wealth. Open Cowrywise and label your existing goals into these 5 layers. See what is missing. Focus on filling layer 1, then consistently feed layer 2. Step by step, you get to 3, 4, and 5. Financial freedom is a journey built one automated funding rule at a time. It's not a secret, it's a system. Cowrywise is your toolbox. You have all your knowledge now. Start building your pyramid today. If this helped you, please share with one person who needs this journey. Hope I helped you win with your money. See you in the next one.